Clearbroad, North Dallas, 2021 Tesla Model Y. Gets a full front with rocker panels on this one, and that's about it, and a nice cleanup. So let's take a look. After a much needed wash, like all our cars get, and a full decontamination and a polish, the film then gets applied. And on this, it's a full front with headlights, fog lights, mirrors, and this one got rockers. So coming around here, checking all the areas we wrap, was everywhere. All that's wrapped in. Nice and tight, no lines. If you got lines on top of your film, not the best way to get the most life out of a 10-year product. So this is important to wrap in along this headlight area. Most will cut on top of your fender. And then removing the T. Removing the T is another important factor. And getting the T on top of the film, just like the T is on top of the clear coat of the car. It's no different. Again, wrapping in that front trunk and that bumper edge. So wrapping in here and wrapping here. The bumper fully wrapped all the way through all levels. And coming around the passenger side, much more of the same. Getting it all wrapped in. And getting it wrapped in here, all the way down into the door area, into the camera, underneath that black trim. And the mirrors, of course, all in one section. And there it is, Tesla Model Y, full front with rockers. I didn't show those, sorry. The rockers just come up to this natural body seam or line. That's it, just to get that in there. Sure, you're gonna see a line on top in some conditions, but we wrap all that in to the bottom and the front and rear of the door. ClearBroadNorthDallas.com if you have any questions, or 214-414-3809. And here's the front of our stores. And this is our building 17. It runs all the way over to that third door. That's the complex. Just a normal light industrial complex. UPS guy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, 214-414-3809 will get me. I'm Brent. If you have any questions, thanks.